Hey everyone, and welcome to Taking It Offline. Today's AI deep dive is all about understanding its different forms. In this video, we're exploring narrow AI, general AI, and even the concept of ASI, artificial superintelligence. With the advancements of AI, we'll also explore the impact on the job markets. By the end of this video, you'll understand how each type of AI impacts our lives and the visionary work of companies like OpenAI. First, narrow AI, it is focused on one task, like Siri, setting your alarm. Or general AI, on the other hand, is more like Tony Stark's Jarvis, a system that can understand and perform any intellectual task. OpenAI envisions general AI that benefits humanity, but developed safely and ethically. This is the key, safely and ethically. Then there's artificial superintelligence, or ASI. AI that surpasses human intellect in all areas. While it sounds like sci-fi, it's a future we're inching towards, with many possibilities and challenges. It could revolutionize fields from medicine to space exploration, but we're still in the early stages, focusing on narrow and general AI. Instead of fearing AI, I say let's embrace it, understand it, and adapt to it, and use it to stay ahead. It's not just about staying competitive. It's about shaping the future of work and being a part of the AI revolution. Let's take a look at some numbers to back up what I'm saying. According to McKinsey Global Institute, AI could add $13 trillion to the global economy by 2030, which is about a 16% increase in the cumulative GDP compared to today. And guess what? Nearly half of the companies expect AI to create more jobs than it displaces over the next 5 years. This includes roles like AI trainers, who help AI systems learn and adapt in industries like customer service, and AI auditors, ensuring AI's output is unbiased and accurate. So rather than replacing jobs, AI is transforming them and creating new opportunities. How do you see AI impacting your career? Are you excited, concerned? Share your thoughts below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights every week. I'm taking it offline again. This is Parth, signing off. Until next time.